my setup, Milwaukee Packout, and here are my big tools. How much can you fit in here? Let's see. Blower, sawzall, grinder, oscillating saw, jigsaw, router, heat gun, M12 circular and M18 circular, and I could squeeze a couple batteries in there as well. This is my M12 pack, so I got my sawzall, my 2 drills, and the cut-off tool, along with 5 boxes of bits. And then I have I could squeeze 5 batteries in here. Then in this one I have my M18 drill impact, 2 drills impact, a whole bunch of boxes, a charger, and I could squeeze up to 5 batteries in here. And then in this one, this is my hand tools and my safety glasses and pretty much everything I need in everyday use. My lasers, let's see, all my blades, shotgun gloves, everything here fits inside this box and it closes comfortably. And this is my screw box, all kinds of screws. And then I have, well, you see. So all my tools that I had to go back to my van a couple times to get, now I just go once and I bring everything